In this video, I'm going to share with you the only reason why you're not making any money with instant recall yet. All right, if you're not familiar with what instant recall is, it's pretty much an online business opportunity where you can get paid just by selling your location data and referring others to do the same thing. Now, with this opportunity, you can build up a huge monthly recurring income by strictly referring people to use the app. Now, this is by far one of the easiest affiliate marketing / network marketing business opportunities out there. So if you are one of the people that have been looking for a legit affiliate marketing opportunity or network marketing opportunity, this is it. So I'm gonna be honest, if you can't make money with this opportunity, this whole online money making thing just ain't for you. Okay, so let's get straight to the point, guys. Like I said, this is one of the easiest affiliate marketing programs to get involved with. One of the easiest ways, in my opinion, to start earning some money online. So in my opinion, the only reason that you haven't made money with instant recall yet is because you haven't promoted it. Period. That's it. I know you might be thinking, man, come on, dude, really? This one I'm watching the video for you to tell me that? Well, yeah, because you got to ask yourself, have you promoted instant recall? Because if you have, you should have at least 10 people that signed up to instant recall right now in your phone. At least 10. If you don't have 10, then you haven't promoted it. I think a lot of people get thrown off by this opportunity because the ease of it, because it's so simple. You get people, you refer people to this app. When they sign up and decide to sell their data, right, you're going to get paid for it. It's that simple. So I think a lot of people are just like, oh, it's too good to be true. It's too easy, right? So they really don't even take it serious. They don't put in a real effort to get this out there because they almost feel like, oh, it's just too easy. And by them thinking it's too easy, they're not getting results because they're not doing anything, right? They don't take it serious. Listen, instant recall is a legit online business opportunity. The key word is business. If you're signed up to instant recall or you're about to sign up for instant recall, please take it serious. Treat it like you would any other business that you're involved with. Some people, they get involved and they might be like, well, I mean, you only get like $1 per referral or this or that. Damn all that. Look at the compensation plan. Look at the videos that I post about your earning potential. That right there should kind of get you out of that whole, well, I'm only getting $1 a sign up or whatever. Trust me, this is a business opportunity, right? Treat it as such. So if you're watching this video, understand it is what it is. It's that simple. Once you join Instant Recall, you're going to get your affiliate link. You're going to get your little back office set up. You're going to be able to see, your referrals and this and that. But guys, you have to promote it. Period. Do not hesitate to ask people with an Android or iPhone, hey, I got this opportunity. You could get paid just by selling your data, right? Like, tell people. If you tell your brother, your sister, your girlfriend, your wife, your kids, if they're old enough, whatever, you will start getting signups and you will start earning a monthly income. It's that simple. So by simply starting with people that you already know, you should be able to generate some money, right? After that, once again, treat it like a business. Decide, how do you want to share this opportunity? How do you want to present this to other people? Are you a YouTuber? Are you a Facebooker? Do you do TikTok? Are you on Pinterest? Figure out the best way that you're going to promote this opportunity, because this is a numbers game. You have to put this opportunity in front of a lot of people. So one of the good things about instant recall and why I really like this opportunity, because it can appeal to a lot of people. So if they have a phone and if they would like to earn some extra monthly income, they're a lead. You know what I mean? They're worth approaching with this opportunity. It's that simple. But if you're one of them people who, aren't taking action, you hear it all the time. You got to take action. You got to take action. Well, it's true, right? This opportunity can make you money, but you have to take action. Take it serious. And like I said before, and it's catch-22, but because to be a data seller and to have the opportunity to make all of this money, it's only $3.99 a month. Sometimes I wish it was even more, just because people don't take that serious. Because it's $4 a month to basically run your own online business, people dismiss that. People like, man, $4 a month, like, come on, I got to be more than that. I can't build a huge income with $4 a month. That's whack. Nah, something. Yeah. Well, look at the other way. You actually can earn a full-time income, build up a huge monthly income, and your overhead cost is $3.99 a damn month. So the decision really is yours. The earning potential, it's really up to you. So trust me when I tell you, take this advice and you will start making money with Instant Recall. If you're not already signed up with Instant Recall, you can do so right now by clicking the first link in the description of this video, and I will see you on the team. So if you haven't already signed up with Instant Recall, you can do so right now by clicking the first link in the description of this video. And don't forget, if you sign up with Instant Recall, take action.